Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 51 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. Just this one and one more. It's hard to believe. And our prompts for this week is a portion of a brochure catalog. I've got this. It's a duplicate or a reproduction of an old Sears and Roebuck catalog. So I'm going to use that. Something with holes. I'm going to use lace. A famous person. I've got Louis Armstrong. And fun fact, I played the trumpet in the band. Of course, nothing like Louis Armstrong. Something sweet. I've got this dessert and peach pie. Coffee or tea. I'm going with coffee. I've got these a selection of coffees in this little coffee cup, and the bonus is something from a calendar, and so I've got this. So let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I think I'm going to start by just putting these down as backgrounds. So I got my stove, y'all. I'm so excited. It's been wonderful. I have to get used to it. My oven doesn't cook as fast as my old one did, and my stovetop burners cooks faster, so I'm having to get used to everything. But it has been so wonderful. It's self-clean. I've never had a self-clean oven, so I was excited about that. And it's even got a window in the door and a light, so I'm really uptown. And we finally got some vegetables. We've been living off of junk lately. Our soups, but mostly, stuff we could put in the air fryer or Instant Pot. Okay, so I think I am gonna put my dessert down here since it's cut off right there, and bring some color to this side of the page. I'm getting through book 7 of the Harry Potter series, and I'm probably almost halfway through book 4 of the D.D. Warren series of Lisa Gardner. And I've been enjoying both of them. Alright. Put down old Louis B. Armstrong. Had to tape his shirt back on because when I got a little happy when I was cutting, doing that X-Acto knife. Okay. And I think I'm just going to add my prompts up here at the top. I was kind of wanting to do a Christmas one, but I couldn't figure out how to make it all work, so I'm just going with a regular one, and I'll save my Christmas one for next weekend. Add my coffee next to that dessert. I think I'm going to add my peach pie up here. And my calendar somewhere. Thinking maybe like something like this, maybe. All right. I like it. There it is. I have to make me a dangle thing for mine so I can find my pen. Okay, now I'm going to go around him just to make him pop. I think I'm going to do my Stabilo all. Alright, I'm going to have to get me another one. Alright, I'm going to go around him. It's hard to believe that it's just a week from tomorrow to Christmas Eve. Doesn't feel like Christmas to me this year. It hasn't the last few years. Okay. Now get my water brush. We'll just get a shadow. Paper's kind of glossy, so I don't know how that's going to work. Shouldn't affect the Stabilo. I just don't know the water, whether it'll dry like it should. Okay. Y'all gonna have some big plans for Christmas? We don't go anywhere since my mother-in-law passed away. So, and we go from lots of family to just the 4 of us. But lots of, oh, and can't forget the kitty cats. We got 3 cats, so it's 7 of us. But there's a lot of love in those 7 little creatures. And counting myself, my husband, and my sons as creatures. All right. There we go. I need to add my ribbon. I think I'm just gonna put it to the side here. And glue that down. Okay. I think I'm just gonna try doing it with art glitter glue. Okay. There we go. I think I'm gonna take, I've got my coffee ring stamp, and let me, and I've got my coffee ink here. we go. Now, do I want to do anything else to it? I think I'll do some black splatters. Have to have splatters in there somehow. And I just think the black would be the best. Who knows, I may come back with the gold. Can't ever tell about me. Why not? I like gold splatter, so why not? Well, this is a simple one. I've gotten to where I do a lot of simple. I'm going to have to step up my game, but I'm not going to make too many excuses. It is the holidays and we have been busy. So, I like it. I have got my portion of a brochure catalog. I've got something with holes, my lace, a famous person. I got Louis Armstrong, something sweet. I've got my desserts, coffee or tea. I've got coffee, and bonus, something from a calendar. And I've got this December. I think it was 2022. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP51 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love y'all. Bye.